it looks like it's going to be more. Lionel Messi getting ready to enter for Inter Miami.
Please, substitution for Inter Miami CF. Please welcome the world's number 10, and now your number 10, La Familia. Please welcome to the pitch for the first time in Rosa y Negro, número 10, Lionel Messi.
Nifty touch from Yedlin. Oh, Messi spinning away. Back to Yedlin. Yedlin! It was blocked.
The pattern of play that I'm telling you about, because if Messi gets into this hole, DeAndre Yedlin has a ton of freedom to get forward. He felt the presence of Josef Martinez, but last-ditch defending from Guerrero, spot on.
Check complete. Messi will serve. Is he going for it? I think he was. Busquets into Messi. Messi! It was blocked. Busquets. Messi. Yedlin floats it in. Allen is arriving. Dealt with by Escobar only as far as Taylor. Already scored one very nice goal today. Tries a spectacular. Robinson, a step over. Back to Messi. Immediately closed down. Still on it. Busquets. Flips it back in towards Messi. Messi goes down. Said Martinez, the referee, very experienced.
I mean, you could feel Messi come from a deep lying position. The idea from Busquets was to float it in. Escobar leaving his run, leaving Robbie Robinson. Is it clear and obvious? For me, no chance.
And Messi's. Messi trying to get behind. Messi is in, the flag is down. Messi, oh, cutting it back to Josef, who taps it in. And now the flag does come up. The delayed offside flag, as is the protocol. But it did seem Lionel Messi had drifted well offside.
But these are the spaces that Messi's going to operate. He's offside by a mile. But just constantly floating into that space where neither the center back or the fullback on that side.
Busquets finds Messi. Messi slides it to Martinez. Back to Messi. Oh, what a save by Coutinho.
Well, I think the flag was up. He was in an offside position.
Josef Martinez into Messi. Immediately closed down. Free kick given. Here we go.
Salcedo's arguing that he didn't touch him. Messi showing him the blood on his lip. But he ran into it.
Messi!